In this video, I am going to start my startup named Ingrab. Yes, guys, I am going to show you everything, including the difficulties, obstacles, and the problems I faced while building this startup. I even don't know what will be the conclusion of this startup, whether it will be successful or unsuccessful. This will give me the efficient experience to build the new SaaS apps. This course will also help you to understand how a startup can be made. This course will be divided into five parts. First, UI designing. Second, backend development. Third, payment integration. Fourth, production. And the fifth, marketing and sales. In this video, I will tell you what will be my product idea and what is my plan for this app. My idea is to provide services to content writers and programmers with the help of OpenAI GPT-3. When I was randomly searching on Google for some dumb startup ideas, I found copywriting tools such as Jasper AI, Copy.ai, Write Sonic, and many more. Then what? I started searching about these copywriting tools, and the thing I found similar in these all apps is GPT-3. Yes, every single app uses GPT-3 as its core AI model, so I also decided that I will also use GPT-3 as my core AI model. Then I started searching about GPT-3 on Google and I found something incredible on it. That the famous tools such as GitHub Copilot, Duolingo, and Grammarly are also made up of GPT-3. Yes, guys. So I decided to learn more about GPT-3, and you can learn this from my older videos about OpenAI GPT-3. The link to those videos is in I button and description also. Check it out also, so that you can follow the journey to build a startup with me. My startup ideas will be simple. I will develop a such tools that can generate content for content writers and a code for programmers, developers, and even hackers. If you are thinking that I am trying to mix up AI copywriting tools and GitHub Copilot in a one app, then you are right. I already know that there is a huge competition in this field. So I needed to do some unique to grow and highlight my business. That's a simple outline of my business. Hope you are also interested in my bills and this course. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get more such updates. Thanks for watching. Be connected.